Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get bricks rod. We'll start by understanding what this valuable item is and why you need it for your crafting projects. Then, we'll dive into the essential tools and resources you'll want to gather before you begin your search. Finally, I'll guide you through the best locations to find bricks rod efficiently, saving you time and effort. Let's get started on your journey to acquire this crucial component. Before heading out, ensure you have the right equipment. A durable pickaxe, ideally with over 300 durability, is crucial for breaking down tough materials. You'll also want at least 20 to 30 empty inventory slots to carry all the bricks rods and other valuable resources you'll find. Don't forget to pack some healing items and protective gear. Safety first when exploring new areas. Now, let's talk about where to find bricks rod. The most reliable spots are often within dense rock formations and around ancient ruins. Keep an eye out for distinct glowing ore veins. These are your primary targets and are frequently located deep underground. Exploring extensive cave systems and high mountainous regions will significantly increase your chances of discovering large quantities of this valuable resource. Happy hunting! To maximize your bricks rod haul, employ efficient farming techniques. Mine in a systematic pattern, perhaps a grid or spiral, to ensure you cover large areas without missing any nodes. If you have area of effect abilities, use them to break multiple bricks rod deposits simultaneously, saving valuable time. Remember that resources often respawn after about 15 to 20 minutes, so revisit productive spots for continuous farming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.